Hello everyone, here I am going to explain how to do configuration of two routers using CLI in Cisco Packet Tracer. Next I am going to place now router. First I'm here placing generic one. Let's see, first router, and second one is this one. Now just select switches. Here I am selecting generic one switches as well. This one is switch. I will show the end devices. There are several devices. You can choose any end device. Here I am choosing generic one. Two PCs for one router and two PCs for another router. Now just do the connection. Here I'm going to do the automatical connection. This one shows you can automatically connect the wire. Just click this one. Similarly connect this one. Similarly, you have to connect this switch versus with this PC as well and with this PC as well. Now you can see that all the ports have been connected, but there are different lights are showing. In some places there are green light, and some places there are red light. Red light shows the router is still not configured. So in order to configure the router, just click on router and move through the CLI command, CLI interface. Just no, and you can see this is the greater than sign shows the user mode, and we will do configuration in the configuration mode. In order to reach to the configuration mode, first move into the privilege mode. For going to the privilege mode, here is a command enable. If you write tab, if you click tab, it will show you the whole command. Just enter. Now this hash sign shows you are in privilege mode. Let's move towards the configuration mode. Just tab, it will show you full sentence. Just tab, it will show you forward. Now you are in configuration mode. So let's start doing configuration interface. Fast Ethernet 0.0. Now we are going to assign IP address to this router. IP address, you can write any IP of your own choice. We are writing here 192.168, and you are using 1 range 1, and with this IP we have to give subnet mask of class C as well. Just get IP has been configured. Now you can give another extra command of the description. If you want to see the description, just write description of router 0 and range 1. Here we have given the range 1, so we'll write range 1. So just in the end write no shutdown. No shutdown means it will remain turned on, it will not turn off. So just exit. Now you can see your light is turning into green. Mean router is turning into green. Mean it is going to configure soon. So in a similar way, configure the router 1 as well. Just move through the CLI command. Like no. Similar way, you have to do the similar thing. Enable mode, into privilege mode. Write config terminal. Right interface. Fast Ethernet 0. Just assign the IP address. But remember one thing. IP should be different from router 0. It should not interact with. It should not identify the similar IP. 191.168. Let's give the range. Here we are giving the range 2. Just click 2. With this we have to give the subnet mask as well. Just write 0. Okay. Similarly, you have to write no shutdown, mean it will remain turn off, as I said earlier. Just exit. This router has been configured as well. You can see light is turning into green. And you can see router to router configuration hasn't been done still. So how to do the configuration? Let's see how I'm going to do it. Just exit. Let's go back to the yes, we are in configuration mode. In order to in order to do the configuration of our router with each other, let's write interface serial 20 and give the IP address and write the IP address of the other router, not the router where you are using this command. 192.168. We know in other router we have given the range 2, so that one, and write the subnet mask as well. Okay, and similarly in the end, clock rate, you have to give clock rate. Remember one thing, clock rate will be given only in DCE. We don't have to write in any other YRTT clock rate. So 64 default baud rate. Just enter and just write now shutdown. It will remain on. You can see similarly you have to do the similar thing in this router as well for router 0. Just at exit. We are in the configuration mode. A similar way, write interface serial 2 and just assign the IP, just give the IP. Here you have to write the IP of the router 0 where we had given range 1 0, and as we know that we have to write the subnet mask as well of class C. The right inner. Oh sorry, we have done one mistake. Just go back. Here we have given comma mistakenly. Just write dot. One 192.168 11110 11 11 255 255 255 0. Enter. So you can see the both router has been configured. That's why light has turned. Oh, just simply write no shutdown in the end. Now you can see light has turned into green, means router has been configured successfully. Now you can see the status of the router by this here IP address has. You just click to move to the configure and just see the file internet. Here you can see the IP of this router as well. Similar for this, and now you have to assign the IP address to PCs. Just move to IP configuration. Just give the IP one, and just remember IP should be different from the router default IP 192.168.1. Here we are ready to subnet. Just click subnet mask will come automatically. Here we have to give default IP of 1 1. Just move back. Similarly same thing for PC1 192.168 13. Here you can see the status of this IP as well. This IP of this PC is this, IP of this PC. Now you have to assign IP to this PC as well. Just move to the right. Two. And just right here you have to write the default IP range 2.1. Just exit. Just write assign the IP to last PC as well. Do the same thing. 2, and here you have to write. What did we here? You have to write 4. Just give the IP as default IP. You have to give similar default IP to 16.8.2.1. Just now we have given IP to all PCs. You can see the status of the IP. Just if you keep your mouse bar there, you will see the status of this IP. Now one thing you have to do as well, you can ping as well. You can ping this PC with this router. Just click here, command prompt, just write IP config. It will show you the IP of this PC. Now you can ping this router with this PC as well. Just write the IP address of this in command prompt. IP okay, 192.168. Just add 16 IP of router 1, and you can see here you can see the IP has been pinged. Similarly you can give the IP of PC2. Similarly you can give the IP of PC2 as well. You can ping 192.168, just the 2 at the IP of 2. Yeah, there you can see IP is in ping as well.